Hi, this is Christian with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is views. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn to open, search, and name existing views, create a new 3D view,
Create perspective views using the camera tool.
and use tools and shortcuts to organize views. Look under the project browser to see all the existing views in the project. Each view is labeled under a general category such as plans, ceiling plans, or elevations. These categories are then labeled under the Views All category. You can minimize or expand these categories. Let's minimize these for now. To search for a specific view, you can right-click on a category and select Search. A search box will pop up where you can type in the name of the view you are looking for and click on Next. It will expand the category and highlight the view that contains the letters you typed in. If you keep clicking Next, it will cycle through other categories that have a view with these letters. In this case, the view name Level exists in the Plan and Ceiling Plan category. To rename a view, you can right-click and rename, or select it and scroll down the Properties palette to Identity Data to type in a new view name. To open a view, just double-click on the view name in the project browser or right-click and select Open. Let's open Level 2 and all the elevations. The activated view always has its title in bold text in the project browser. Every view that is opened will be displayed in the drawing area. Keep in mind that as you open views, they will stay open in the background behind the activated view. You could have hundreds of views open and not even realize it until you minimize your view. Be organized and close out of any unnecessary views. Go under the View tab and above the Windows panel. Here you can manually select which view you want to switch to using the Switch Windows tool, and even close out of all hidden windows. The Quick Access toolbar on the top also has a Switch Windows tool available. There is no available existing 3D view to open, so you will have to create one. Under the View tab, select the 3D icon to create your view. Notice the 3D view appear on your project browser.
Let's quickly model a wall by using the Wall tool and selecting a start point and an end point. Press Escape twice to exit out of the command. To create a perspective view, have the Plan view open and then activate the Camera tool. Under the View tab and above the Create panel, select the 3D View drop-down window and select the Camera tool. The Options bar shows a couple of settings you can change before you place your camera point. The Offset option is the camera's eye elevation offset from the selected level, in this case Level 1. To place the camera position, left-click once, and then left-click again to place the view target location. Your perspective view will open, and you can edit the view extents by dragging them outwards. You can also use the View cube to rotate the view, or hold down the Shift key and your mouse's scroll wheel. To relocate your camera position or target location, go to the project browser and left-click on the current 3D view and select Show Camera. The camera should appear on the plan view. Click once on the plan view to activate it, and then edit the camera points to change the perspective.
To switch views, use the shortcut Control and Tab. While holding the Control key, you can keep pressing the Tab key to switch to other views. Type in the shortcut WC to cascade views. The views will cascade from the top left to the bottom right corner with their titles displayed on top. Type in the shortcut WT to tile views. Your views are now displayed in a tile layout. If you want two views alongside each other, minimize or close out of the rest of the views and type WT. To switch positions, click on the right view and type WT again. One useful layout is to split the drawing area into a 3D view and a plan view. This way you can model and plan, but also see how the 3D elements form and connect. Use these tools to lay out your drawing area to what best suits your needs. That concludes our beginner course on views. Thanks for watching.